guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you how to make sapaath, which is essentially a kind of banana sheera that is made as prasad for Satyanarayan Pooja. And when it is made as prasad and not simply as a banana sheera dessert, then traditionally only a certain set of ingredients are used and in certain set quantities, which I'll share in this recipe today. So let's get started. For making sapaath, you'll need equal quantities of semolina or rava, sugar and ghee, and usually it's made in quantities that are a quarter over a cup. For instance, today I'm using 1 and 1/4 cup of rava, sugar and melted ghee each. But if you want to make more, you can do 2 and 1/4 cup of each ingredient or 3 and 1/4 cup, 4 and 1/4 cup, etc. You get the idea. Milk is always double the quantity of rava, so in this case 2.5 cups of milk. And then finally, for this quantity of sapaath, you'll need 2 bananas. You can use either 2 big bananas like this or 5 small elaichi bananas, but it's best to use really ripe bananas. And here I'm pre-smashing the bananas a little, and you can do that too if you prefer. But if the bananas are really ripe, you can easily smash them directly in the pan. Now to begin with, in a pan, add in the ghee and rava, mix them together and start roasting the rava in the ghee on medium-low flame. At this time, simultaneously in another pan, start heating the milk on medium flame. Not enough for it to boil over, but just to get it really hot before you have to add it in the pan later. Coming back to the main pan, here you might feel like it is too much ghee for the quantity of rava. Well, because it is. And if we were making regular sheera, then we wouldn't use nearly as much ghee. But when we're making Puja Prasad, this is the ratio that has been traditionally followed. Also, as the rava gets roasted, you'll see it fluff up and absorb a little ghee. It takes about 10 minutes or so on medium-low flame for the rava to get well roasted, fluff up a little and turn golden in color. When it's done, add in the bananas, mix them in and smash them a little in the pan so as to not have a big banana chunks in the sapaath. Then roast the bananas for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low flame. After which, add in the milk, which must have gotten properly hot by now, and mix it in. At this point, you'll see that the whole mix gets very liquidy. Cook this covered for 1 to 2 minutes. And then cook it for 1 to 2 minutes without the lid on. And you'll see that the rava will have soaked up all the liquid and it has more of a sheera consistency now. At this point, add in the sugar and mix it in. Adding the sugar will again kind of make the sapaath a little more liquidy, which is totally okay. Now just cook this on medium-low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. And it's done. When it's done, sapaath will have the consistency of really soft sheera with a little ghee leaving the sides. I've also linked the detailed written recipe in the description and the pinned comment, but do let me know if you have any further questions and I'll be happy to answer them. And as always, if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!